Alright, guys, let's talk about flipping the script. Flipping the script in English basically means to turn things around and do them in an otherwise, let's say, different manner, or make sure the outcome is probably different. So, why am I saying this? Today, or it was earlier today, I posted something on my WhatsApp, and a friend of mine, he's actually a learner in English and he's trying to get better, and he asked me about it. He's like, why did you say that? What's the meaning of flip the script? So I had to explain. Flip the script is basically an idiomatic expression. And as we said, idiomatic expressions, like if you don't know what they are basically phrases that are literally meaning something else, but then they have a figurative sense behind them. So the words don't represent the actual thought. So you can say something, but they mean uh, something entirely different. So that's that. Now, flip the script, as I said, it usually means to actually turn things around. When one thing is like this, let's say for example, you turn you turn something. Let's see. In this case, if there is a person who's actually very shy, they don't like talking, they don't like speaking in public, and they're very quiet, and then we start to see them speak up like out of the blue, maybe just one day you start seeing them speaking up on issues and actually taking up stuff and standing in to make sure their projects are done and everything, and they're taking the mantle, like they're taking things into their own hands, and they're actually pushing things. Now you know that they are actually getting better and they are coming out of their shell. Those people are flipping the script on their what? On their behavior or character. So now it means the person has flipped the script, you understand? This originally comes from the world of theater, where basically before, theater, in theater or cinema, when you play out stuff, and when you are doing drama, you have a script that you have to follow. So some people are given the script and they turn the script and improvise. So the intended outcome, maybe on the side of the producers, was actually this, but the people who are acting it out, they flip the script and they do the opposite, or they do something else, thereby wowing or actually setting the people like ablaze by amazing them. You understand? So that is the etymology. That's where it comes from. That's why we say you flip the script. But in my case, in the context I used it, I said people actually flip the script and then end up making things all about themselves. That is just, in hindsight, talking about narcissistic people in general, or specifically people who are all about like themselves and they're full of themselves. So whenever you are having a conversation, they're trying to steer the entire topic of the conversation towards themselves and actually put themselves at the like center of everything and make themselves what's it called, the center of attention. They want to receive all the limelight, they want to be in the middle of everything and at the center of like any conversation. So assuming you were talking about things, something different, or like you are having a good day, they want to now like make it about themselves and actually take that shine, you understand? So we say those people, they flip the script and make it about themselves. So that's the second part of it. The first part is about actually making a positive outcome, maybe of something which was otherwise thought going to be negative, or something which is normal, you just give it a different outcome. Yet in my case, it's about actually turning the situation which is actually positive and making it about yourself, whereby it's actually not about you even. They're talking about someone else, and then you're trying to change the topic or change the narrative and make it about you. So that is you actually flipping the script, and that is the negative connotation of that. So you understand? Probably I'm going so much into detail here. If you still don't understand, or um, there's something which is left, or maybe there's still a few glitches here and there, you can get to me in the comment section or shoot me a DM and I'll reply and try to explain further for you. inshallah. I'm ranting, man. I'll see you in the next section. Peace.